The Shop-Vac 12-gallon, 6.0 peak HP wet-dry vacuum is a robust and versatile tool with a stainless steel collection tank and a powerful 6-horsepower motor, designed to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks with ease. It boasts a 3-in-1 functionality, offering strong dry and wet suction as well as a blowing function, making it capable of cleaning dust, wood chips, debris, and even damp sewage. This vacuum also doubles as a potent blower, easily convertible to a 145 cubic feet per minute air blower that can effectively remove dirt from hard-to-reach places. With a cleaning reach of over 26 feet, it reduces the need for moving the vacuum cleaner around, making your cleaning job much easier. The vacuum comes with a variety of accessories including a 7-foot secure fit hose, 3 extension wands, a 10-inch wet-dry nozzle, a gulper nozzle, a crevice tool, a standard cartridge filter, a filter bag, and a filter paper with ring. Shop-Vac Corporation, the manufacturer of this vacuum, is a recognized world leader in wet-dry vacuum cleaners, known for their innovative and high-quality vacuum cleaners, filters, bags, and other accessories since 1965.